Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be making these spooky ghostly earrings.
The supplies you're going to need are UV resin. You'll need a mixing bowl, mixing utensil. You'll need some black resin dye. You'll need some black glitter, 2 jump rings and 2 fishhook earrings. You'll need a marker to write the word boo. So if you have a Cricut, you can print out the word boo on your Cricut and have it cut out on vinyl, and you can use that and put the letters in here. I decided to use my Cricut and I designed the boo and a little ghost, and then I put it into Cricut Design Space and then cut it out of this glitter paper that's a permanent, like a sticker paper. And you can't see them, but they're like in the corners, and that's what I'm going to use, and then I'll show you how I apply them onto the resin piece. Alright, to begin, we're going to place just enough resin in here to fill this. You can put enough to do 2 if you'd like, and then just mix up one big batch, and I think that's what I'm going to be doing. Takes a while for it to come out of the bottle, but now I'm not going to make it too dark with the black. I'm going to just put a couple drops to give it that hint of black. Now that was just 2 drops. It's a pretty good color. You don't want it really swirly, you kind of want to make sure it's all mixed up together. Okay. And then just get your lighter to get rid of all those little pesky bubbles. There we go. A lot of bubbles in there. Okay. So now we can start pouring it into the mold. And I only went halfway, and then I'm going to take my glitter and I'm just going to sprinkle it onto here like so. Trying to make sure I get all the areas. Now remember, you can just, if you get it on your mold, you can just take a piece of tape and just remove the excess glitter, and I'll show you how. You can do it before you cure or after, just to make sure that there's no glitter. And you know, it just, now you're not going to get it into there, you're just going to get around the sides and wherever the glitter kind of sprinkled, but that's all you're going to do. And I think it would probably be best to do it after you cure this. So now we're going to cure this for 90 seconds. Now that it's cured, I'm going to do another layer. And now we're going to cure this for 180 seconds, and then turn it over and cure it for 180 seconds on the other side. Alright, now that it's done curing, we can remove it. And you can see some of the glitter inside. Now I see the thickness now of it, and so we're going to need a larger jump ring. So probably about like an 8mm or a 10mm jump ring would be great. So let's start on the second one. Just going to fill it up halfway. Set that aside. Let's get some bubbles out just in case. Get that glitter in there. And then we're going to cure this for 90 seconds. Alright, now that that's cured and I cleaned up all the excess glitter off, I'm just going to pour the next layer in. Okay. Get rid of bubbles. And then cure it for 180 seconds, and then turn it over and cure the other side for 180 seconds. Alright, now that this one's done curing, I can remove it from the mold. I have two. Okay, so now we can apply our little pieces that we had printed out on the Cricut, or you can write this. Now I should have taken all the little pieces off, but I did not. Okay, let me get the I don't know if you can see that. It's really hard. I should have taken all the bits off first. But like I said, I designed this first in on my iPad. And then just make sure you line it up. Now I should have done it like you're supposed to with these, but I'm just doing it the quick and easy way. I don't know if it's that easy, but so yeah, so I designed it on my iPad in Procreate, and then from there I transferred it over to Cricut Design Space, and then I cut it out. Oops. I think that's sort of cute. And it's glittery. I don't know how much of the glitter is going to actually show through because we're going to do a top coat on this. So I got all these little things stuck to me. I got to find the other boo. Oh, there it is. This one doesn't seem like it wants to peel off very easily. Yeah, it did not peel off very easily. In fact, took some of the paper with it, so I'm not really sure how I'm going to fix that. Oh, there we go. I should have used my my weeding tool, but I didn't. I thought this would be easier, but don't cut corners. All right. Oops, I got that upside down. Want to make sure it's about the same. Okay, there's the bee. Got all these little sticky pieces on me. They just don't want to come off. Okay, so let's find. Okay, so we'll do the O's next. Okay, gotta move that. There we go. Oh, these just want to stick everywhere. Okay, and then the final O. I hope you can see me do this. I hope I'm not going off camera. Just trying to get them so that they look alike as best as possible. And let me see, get the eyes off the little ghost. Now you didn't have to do the ghost. That's just something I decided to do. Like a little ghost for the bottom. Okay, let me see. I think that looks really cute. Now you could have done the ghost up here also and then wrote the boo. That would have been fine. All right, so that worked out rather well. Now for the top coat, it's up to you how you want to do it. You can use the UV resin. I always use this nail gel, the one door. I really like it. So I'm just going to go over the top. And then just go right over the pieces that we just put on. Make sure it looks nice and smooth and that you get all the areas. I'm kind of running low on the nail polish, so I'll probably have to, this is the top coat, so I'll probably have to order some more. Okay, just gonna add a little bit more here. All right, And now I'm going to cure this for 180 seconds. Okay, now that that layer is cured, you can see what that looks like. Aren't they cute? So now we're going to put them together and make the earrings. So I used 10mm jump rings. You open them to the side. And since this is thicker, you might have to open them a little wider than usual. Put it through. Place on an earring. Close it up. Take the other jump ring, open it to the side, place your resin piece on, and then place your earring, close it up, and there you have these really cute boo earrings. So whether if you just write boo on it and draw yourself a little ghost or use your Cricut, it's all up to you. It's all handmade and it represents what you can do. So if you liked my video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and press that bell for notifications of my upcoming videos. Also, in the description box below, you will find all the links to all my supplies that I've used today. Also, you'll find links to my artwork, my photography, and my jewelry. Thank you again for watching. See you soon. Bye-bye.